Really good. This is like I said, it's really all in from our people.
I have good friends in the embassy. Local wine, you can try this.
Just one?
Local wine, yeah. There's a homemade wine. They prepare their own in their own house. It's really organic. Nothing is mixed. Real wine. Yeah, you can take a sip with it. So you can take a sip, yeah. It's wine.
Now we have architecture, heritage sites, different temples and monuments too. And we have a culture and vibrant community life here. So Kirtipur showcases Nepal's rich cultural identity, a unique tradition where we are experiencing all the tradition that is Sokha or Sagun that we have received just right now. So it is a ritual presentation of food and drinks. After you have received your Sagun, so you all will be going for a heritage walk. We have different food destinations here, Cheloncho, Bagkhoirop, Mamahashur as well as Saraswati Temple. So you all will be going into 4 different destinations. You all will be visiting our Kirtipur. You all will be receiving a various kinds of information about our historical sites. So thank you all for being present here and thank you.
Hello, Himalayan Turbo Max. To the top of the mountain, Everest.
We'll be having a detailed information about Chilunchu Stupa, so I would like to call Bajra Muni sir for giving us a detailed information about the stupa.
We're from Chilunchu, Bihar. This place name is Chilunchu, Bihar. In everywhere we can see two types of name. One local name and another Sanskritization name. Sanskrit name is Jagatpal Mahavyar. Jagatpal Mahavyar, and local name is Chilunchu, Bihar. Chilunchu, Bihar is also derived from Chiran. Chiran means river, inlays. And Jagatpal is the noble person who came from Lalitpur. Before unification by Prithviraj Saha, the Kathmandu Valley was divided in three cities, three states, three nations. One Kathmandu, Bhaktapur, and Lalitpur. In Kathmandu, Jayaprakash Malla was the last king of Kathmandu. Likewise, in Lalitpur, Tej Narsingh Malla, and Bhaktapur, Ranjit Malla. And this part, Kirtipur is a part of Lalitpur state. And after unification, three valley called Nepal Mandal. And this Chilunchu Stupa was established in 1515 AD. It means 500 and more 500 years before Jagatpal Burma built this stupa. And Jagatpal Burma was a noble person of Lalitpur. Means he is the supporter of Lalitpur king, Tej Narsingh Malla. And when Prithviraj Saha from Gorkha came to attack in Kirtipur, 2 times they could not win the Kirtipur. In third time from Lalitpur, they did not support to Kirtipur because at that time the Lalitpur was very weak. Easily, Gorkha king Prithviraj Saha attacked and won the Kirtipur city. So 500, more than 500 years, Jagatpal Burma came to take care of the Kirtipur. And he made that monastery. That monastery means, in my left hand, there you can see the Pinnacle's house. That is cult house. Cult house means here surrounding we can see the house of Vajracharya. Vajracharya means the priest of Buddhists. In Kathmandu Valley, three types of Buddhism: Theravada Buddhism, Mahayana Buddhism, and Vajrayana Buddhism. Theravada, who wear robe, yellow robe, they are Theravada. And red wear, they are Mahayana. And white dress coat is Vajrayana. But we have to know that Vajrayana Buddhism. But in Kathmandu Valley, Vajrayana Buddhism is called Mewar Buddhism.
Foundation of Shiva as a terrifying god, and it is the one of the trinity of the Hindu: Vishnu, Brahma, and Shiva. Shiva is the terrifying god and also considered as a god of destroyer of the innocent and destroyer of the negativity or negative powers. So that both the communities from the eastern part and western part equally revere this god as the protective deity of this settlement and the people alike. So that this temple is erected in 11th century, but we have written evidence is from the 16th century, and it was renovated by the Jagatpal Burma, who have established the Mahavihar over there. You just heard from him. So that this whole complex is dotted with several temples and idols. Among them, the most important part is this small temple where you can see the idols of the sculptures from the 3rd to 4th centuries. And this is believed to be the oldest temple so far recovered from this settlement. So that another is this temple and the Bhagavata and this Upadhyaya. Upadhyaya is another form of Bhagavata. Bhagavata is the Bhairava emanated as a tiger god. So that there is an interesting story about the origin of the Bhagavata. Bhaga means tiger and Bhairava is the terrifying god, the another form of Shiva. So that the original story goes like that. Once the shepherds from this area were grazing their sheep over some jungle, and at that time the hungry Bhairava is roaming around, and as they saw the sheep, and he had the temptation to consume these sheep, and then he manifested as a tiger. The Bhairava manifested as a tiger and consumed all the sheep. So that and as the children playing and return to their place where the sheep are grazing, but they don't see any sheep. And they saw the Bhairava with a broad stick in his mouth. And he asked that where is our sheep? And the Bhairava just opened his mouth and saw all the bloody over there. And since then the Bhairava emanated as a tiger. It is called the Bhairava. And here you can see the another sculptures, open shrines. There are many shrines which is made around 5th, 6th century, and inside the temple there are the earliest stone sculptures. You can find that these are the Astamatrika or the Matrika mother goddesses, 5 mother goddesses over there, and the Ganesha and the Chavadya, called Chavadya. It is the emanation of Shiva. And other here in Bhadrapada, in the month of somewhere August, the annual day of Bhagavatarapa is taken out for the bathing, holy bathing, and taken there, and consecration ritual goes there, and taken procession in the evening. And there see one Hippodia outside the campanums. Yeah, that is the Hippodia called the blood-sucking god. And inside the Bhagavatarapa temple, although Bhagavatarapa is blood-sucking god, and it is not the sacrifice, animal sacrifice is not given inside the temple. Instead, it is given outside this temple open shrine. That is called Hippodia, means blood-sucking god. It is a divine, demon, and what demon it is?
Welcome you to this ancient historical and cultural town Kirtipur. Since I am not able to speak in English, I have a translator here who will translate my Nepali into English. Thank you.
प्राचीन कालमा यो काठमाडौँ उपत्यका एउटा दह थियो।
In the ancient times, this Kathmandu valley was a pond. It was filled with water.
त्यस दहमा एउटा बनेमानको पदमको फुल अर्थात् कमलको फुल उम्रेको थियो।
And in that pond, a huge lotus bloomed.
त्यो कमलको फुलमा ज्योति उत्पन्न भएको थियो। त्यसैले त्यसमा दर्शनको लागि मञ्जुश्री आउनुभएको थियो।
And it was such a lotus plant, a flower, that was full of light. And an ancient scholar, Buddhism scholar, Manjushri, wanted to get a darshan. He wanted to see the flower with such power.
सो ज्योति दर्शनपछि मञ्जुश्रीले चौबारको डाँडा अहिले हामीले बादलले देखेको छैन।
There is a hill on the south side of this city. So with his sword, he dug the hill and made an exit to let the water drain out.
पानी निकास भइसकेपछि यहाँ बस्ती विकास गरेको थियो। अब त्यो पद्मको काठबाट यहाँको काठ प्रयोग गरेर बस्ती बसाएको हुनाले यो ठाउँको पहिलो नाउँ पद्म काष्ठपुर थियो।
So after draining the water and with that flower lotus, it was so huge that the stalk, the stem was made of wood, that Manjushri settled this valley with that wood so that it got its name Padma Kashtapur, meaning Padam is that flower lotus, Kashta is wood, and Pur is a place.
पछि कालान्तरपछि यो बस्तीमा भेडा बाख्राको गोठलाहरूले अघि यहाँ अयुब मित्रले पनि कथा त सुनाइसक्नुभयो। त्यो भेडा बाख्रा चराउने गोठालाहरूले बनाएको जुन चाहिँ बाग छ त्यो बाग भैरवको रूपमा स्थापित गरियो।
So there is another story apart from Manjushri. So this place was dwelled by, so after the civilization there were lambs and sheep and the herders used to take care of them. So during that time there was a tiger also.
त्यो बाघलाई आफ्नो आराध्य देवता मानिएको र बाघ भनेको जङ्गलको शक्तिशाली भएको हुनाले अनि त्यो जङ्गलकै नाउँमा यो कीर्तिपुर पहिले पद्मकाष्ठपुर भइराखेकोमा यसलाई गुदेश, गु भनेको नेवारीमा जङ्गललाई गु भनिन्छ र बस्तीलाई देश भनिन्छ।
So the tiger, being the king of the jungle, got the name Gu Desha from Newari. That is, Gu is forest and Desha is a country. So because there were lambs and it turned into a jungle, there was this tiger. So this place got the name as Gu Desha.
अनि 12औं शताब्दीमा आएर शिवदेव तृतीयले यो बस्तीलाई आधारभूत सबै तयार गरेर एउटा सहरको रूपमा कीर्तिपुरको विकास गरिदियो। त्यही हो ऐतिहासिक कीर्तिपुर।
So King Shivadev settled this place as Kirtipur. Kirti means fame and Pur is also a place. So this place is famed by his name.
अब अघि बाघ भैरवमा हामीले सुन्यौँ यो कीर्तिपुर दुई भागमा छ, देवगल र शिवगल। अहिले हामी शिवगलतिर छौँ। यो मन्दिर शिव पार्वतीको हो। यो नेपाल सम्वत 775 मा बनिएको।
So Kirtipur is divided into two parts. One is this side, Shiva, this temple where the Shiva and his consort Uma, this temple is erected, and the other one that we recently saw, that is Bagh Bhairav. So that is on the other side.
बाघ भैरव बुद्ध र हिन्दूले पनि मानिने त्यो कीर्तिपुरको बीचमा स्थापित भएको छ।
So the Bagh Bhairav temple that we recently saw is both revered and worshipped by Hindu and Buddhist together.
अहिले हामी यति नै भनेर पछि पनि भन्दै जाउँला, यहाँलाई सुनाउँदै जाउँला। धन्यवाद।
So I think this much for today. I hope you will have a very nice time in this city. Thank you.
I'd like to have our Kirtipur Municipality Mayor Shri Krishnaman Dongolju, हाम्रो Kirtipur नगरपालिकाका नगर प्रमुख श्री कृष्णमान दङ्गोलज्यूलाई आसन ग्रहण गरिदिन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु। साथसाथै Kirtipur नगरपालिकाका उपप्रमुख श्री सुबलक्ष्मी साक्यज्यू, our Kirtipur Afterwards, I'd like to have our Kirtipur municipalities Pramukh Prasasaki Adhikrit Shri Ramdatta Bhattaju. I'd like to move forward to our Kirtipur municipalities Board's President, Mr. Rupesh Moharjan, Mr. Subindra Moharjan, Mr. Rajendra Bania, Rajendra Kumar Moharjan, Kirman Singh Bosnet, Divakar Adhikari, Sanumaya Moharjan and Dinesh Shrestha to sit on their own places, as well as going through our Kirtipur municipalities members. I'd like to call them forward also and have their seat on their respective places, as well as our यससँगै संस्कृति तथा पर्यटन समितिका सदस्य सन्सिला महर्जन, दिलकुमारी शाही र सिजन महर्जनज्यूलाई यता स्थानमा आसन ग्रहण गरिदिन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु। यससँगै सम्पूर्ण शाखा प्रमुखज्यूहरूलाई पनि यता स्थानमा आसन ग्रहण गर्न हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु। श्री विमला कार्की, श्री सुजिता सुनाम, श्री रजिता गौतम महर्जन र श्री राज्यलक्ष्मी श्रेष्ठ साक्यज्यूलाई यता स्थानमा आसन ग्रहण गरिदिन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु। र साथसाथै नेपाल पर्यटन बोर्डका मार्केटिङ डाइरेक्टर श्री रोहिणी खनालज्यूलाई आसन ग्रहण गरिदिन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु। ट्यासमा आसन ग्रहण गरिदिन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु। यसैसँगै पाटाका अध्यक्ष श्री खेम लगाईज्यूलाई पनि यहाँ ट्यासमा आसन ग्रहण गरिदिन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु। साथसाथै हिमालयन ट्राभल्स मार्टका आयोजक समितिका संयोजक श्री नरेन्द्र कुमार देव भट्टज्यूलाई पनि आसन ग्रहण गरिदिन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु। थ्याङ्क यू। पर्यटन व्यवसायी श्री दिनेश महर्जनज्यूलाई पनि आसन ग्रहण गरिदिन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु। So now moving forward, we would like to present you Kumari dance.
Kamari
Any delay, now I would like to call Sri Narendra Kumar Devbhadra, Himalayan Style Mart संयोजक समितिका संयोजक श्री नरेन्द्र कुमार देवभट्टलाई आफ्नो मन्तव्य राखिदिन हुन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु. I would like to call Sri Narendra Kumar Devbhadra for his third speech.
Distinguished guests and delegates of the 6th edition of Himalayan Travel Mart, which is taking place every year in the capital of Nepal, and you all are warmly welcomed for this special occasion, special event, where you will be meeting your friends, your colleagues, and interact with them for future prospect of business. And today you have already visited the most beautiful places in this city, Kirtipur. And this program and today's event had not been possible if we have not collaborated with Kirtipur village, Kirtipur municipality. That's why my big thanks goes to the mayor of Kirtipur municipality for his collaboration, for his cooperation, and for his contribution in promoting tourism in Nepal. Similarly, I welcome Mr. Rohini Khanal, Director of Nepal Tourism Board. Nepal Tourism Board always has been the main supporter for this event since last 6 years. And this time also they have been so supportive and cooperative, and we are more than happy to collaborate with Nepal Tourism Board, and my big thanks goes to Nepal Tourism Board as well. Here are present from Nepal Tourism Board my colleagues, and also Nepal Tourism Board is always playing main role in promoting Nepal tourism all over the world. And this is when we are inviting promoters, buyers, and creating a platform where they can meet local tour entrepreneurs, travel entrepreneurs, and exchange their ideas and views. So today you are most welcome in this. Though you are tired, I know. I thank you once again for being with us today, and there are a few more days you are going to stay with us, and I look forward to have you in other occasions also. Thank you very much.
नरेन्द्र कुमार देवभद्र विशेष धन्यवाद ज्ञापन गर्दछु हाम्रो हिमालयन ट्राभल्स मार्टका आयोजक समितिका संयोजक श्री नरेन्द्र कुमार देवभद्रज्यूलाई र साथसाथै अहिले हाम्रो मन्तव्यको तर्फबाट अगाडि बढाउँदै नेपाल पर्यटन बोर्डका मार्केटिङ डाइरेक्टर श्री रोहिणी खनालज्यूलाई आफ्नो मन्तव्य राखिदिनु हुन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु. I would like to have Shri Rohini Khanal here on the dash.
Mayor Saab and dignitaries sitting at the dais, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I hope you are enjoying your stay in Nepal. We understand that the days have been very hectic for you, but I sincerely thank you so much for accepting all of this and coming over to Nepal, accepting our invitations. And over the few days, we understand that you'll be very busy in visiting places doing the B2Bs and all that. I represent Nepal Tourism Board, and Nepal Tourism Board is also one of the main organizing partner of this event. Since we have worked all the way from first edition to the sixth editions, we've been able to garner the interest and generate the business from worldwide and bringing tourists to Nepal. And we'd like to appreciate the sincere effort and contribution made by Bata Nepal chapter and using the global network it has in the international market. Nepal Tourism Board is a national tourism organization of Nepal, which is mainly responsible for promoting Nepal in the international market. And with regard to today's event, I would like to express my sincere thanks and appreciation to especially the mayor of Kirtipur municipality and the entire municipality team for organizing such wonderful event and curating such wonderful event. I understand that you already received the briefing from this city. It's very heritage, and once again I would like to congratulate Kirtipur municipality for showing this very rich heritage of this valley. Thank you so much. I won't take much of your time because the main thing is waiting for you, and I wish you all the best. Please enjoy your stay. Thank you so much.
And now moving forward to our very last speaker, we have our Mayor from Kirtipur Municipality, Shri Krishnaman Dongo. यहाँ अहिले मन्तव्य राख्दिन हुनका लागि Kirtipur नगरपालिकाका नगर प्रमुख श्री कृष्णमान दङ्गलज्यूलाई हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु।
Today's the heritage night heritage walk and the tourism promotion program, the chairman of this program, and the guests, the sitting on the dais, all the guests are respected guests from Bata, distinguished visitors, ladies and gentlemen. Namaste and welcome in Kirtipur to you all. It is my great pleasure on behalf of Kirtipur municipality and all the people of Kirtipur to warmly welcome you to our historical and culturally rich city. Kirtipur is more than a destination, it is a living heritage. As you walk through our ancient streets, temples, courtyards, and traditional settlements, you will experience a culture that has been carefully preserved for generations. Our heritage is not only found in bricks and monuments, but also in our festivals, traditional, local. Local cuisine, arts, and the daily lives of our people. Today's Heritage Walk is an opportunity to connect with the authentic spirit of Kirtipur. We believe that preserving culture and heritage is not only about protecting the past, but also about inspiring future generations, strengthening our identity. We are proud of our rich Nepal culture and the historical landmark, and that make Kirtipur unique. We are equally proud of our community, whose dedication has helped keep these traditions alive. Your presence here encourages us to continue protecting our heritage and sharing it with the world We hope that during your visits, you will experience the warmth of our people, appreciate our culture, treasures, and becomes ambassadors for Kirtipur's heritage. Thank you all for being with us today. We wish you a memorable and enjoyable experience in Kirtipur. At last, again, I want to welcome to Kirtipur, the city of living culture and heritage. Thank you very much. See you again.
Thank you so much, Mr. Krishna Mandagul. As well as now, we would have a short Newari dance in front of you, so I'd like to call Master Moharzin for it.
खुशी
this program now formally, so we'll be having a dinner program also. So for the token of love also, I would like to request our Kirtipur Municipality Mayor Sri Krishnapan Toggle. Moving forward, I think we could start from here. You can come up on the stage and receive the token of love. You all can come one by one. Please move forward. After receiving the token of love, you all can move forward for the dinner section too. We all have dinner up into the restaurant area.
What is that number? Center?
Okay.